We will meet again. Today we will introduce some furniture hardware for your checking. Now we will start from the steel drawer, because this one many customers ask us to have some introduction for this one. First, I will introduce the packing for this steel drawer. It is like this, the small inner small box, one set. And this is the accessory. And the drawer slide. Conceal the drawer slide. And this is the higher port. And then with the set panel. This is the steel drawer. And it also have the instruction inside, and to tell you how to install, how many steps for them. We'll have this protect polybag. For using this kind of steel drawer, it do not need the side panel, because this is the steel one. It do not need to make another wood panel for your drawer. And this is the side panel, and you only to do the back panel is okay, and the other is both have. And here is the concealed drawer slide. Like this. For this drawer slide and for this steel drawer, it can do the length is 300 millimeter, and the longest one is 550 millimeter. For this one, I see one customer asked us if we use this kind of steel drawer, the drawer will move or not. No, this one cannot, because this is the very good quality and stable type for your choose. We can use it for the kitchen, in the kitchen, for drawers, because we will put some bowls and plate, and many like the plate and the bowls have the water inside. But this one, it is the painting finish, so it is not easy to go rushed. Because we know for the wood material panel, it will easy to broken, or maybe a long time the water is going inside, and it will not good. Some will have the holes in the wood panel. So for this one, you will do not have this headache for the water problem, because we wash the bowls and the plates, spoons, all will put in the drawers. But this one is no problem. It also do not go rust.